Welcome back, I'm Allison. This is Wonder Crochet. I said that after I finished my craft room makeover that I would do just a cozy crochet with me video, and that's what this is today. I have a lot of projects that I've recently finished and I have a lot that are in the works as well. So hopefully we can work through some of these today and maybe a little bit tomorrow. I got a little bit of a late start today. I was feeling a little under the weather, but we're good and we're ready to just get cozy, relax, and finish up some projects. If you're brand new here and you don't yet know how to crochet, I have a full online course and it teaches you from the very beginning how to crochet plushies just like all of these. I just added new hoodies to the shop as well. They're crocheting animal hoodies, so now I have 10 different designs that you can choose from. So I'll link that all in the description as well. Let's jump into our cozy crochet day. I will say I'm really glad that the craft room makeover is finished because now I can finally just enjoy it. There was a while where there were just boxes everywhere and I was waiting for new furniture and decor and all kinds of stuff. And don't get me wrong, it was a ton of fun. But now I'm ready to just relax and enjoy it. So I want to show you what I've crocheted lately and then we'll move to the couch and start working on some new projects. If you watched my crocheting for 8 hours straight video, I made 7 different ice cream cones. And this has actually been one of my favorite things to crochet lately. Patterns in my shop, and I'll link everything that I make today in the description. But many of you said that you wanted a smaller ice cream cone because especially if you make this with like burlap blanket, you can get pretty big. And I know people are always looking for little quick stuff to make for markets. So I designed a mini ice cream cone pattern. And this is a completely separate pattern because I'm using the same yarn with these. This is Parfait Chunky and Parfait Pom Pom. So I did rewrite the pattern a bit to make it much smaller. But I've really been loving seeing your mini ice cream cones. And these only take maybe 20 minutes to make. So it's definitely great for a market. So this is one of the things that I recently made. And I have the cone made for another one. So I want to make a different flavor ice cream cone with you today. I made a mini mint chocolate chip one too, which I would show you. But my niece came over and she really wanted it. So of course I gave it to her. So I don't have that with me. And then continuing with the mini trend, I wanted to make a mini s'mores pattern too, because this is my best-selling pattern and I asked all of you on Instagram what other mini patterns you want and so many of you said s'mores, so of course I had to make it. So this is the mini s'mores and I love how it turned out. I did the drips a little bit different because I wanted them to kind of go over the eye just for a little cute look. And this is one of my favorite patterns to make too, so it's really fun redesigning it as a mini plush. And this is a separate pattern too because these are the same yarn. So this shows the size difference of the 2 different patterns. And then the next plush I made was actually for a pattern test for KS Crochet Critters. She released this adorable reindeer pattern and I decided to make a pink and white one because why not? And then included in the pattern, she has these little Christmas lights that you just like string along the antlers. And I just really love how this one turned out, so cute. Oh, and I gave her little eyelashes too. It's just such a cute pattern. I'll probably make another one in like typical reindeer colors. Not today because we have a lot on the list, but definitely check her pattern out. And then I also recently made this little elf plush, and this is a free pattern on my blog. I wanted to make a cute little Christmassy pattern, and you know I love making free patterns. So this is my little Christmas elf. It's a really easy pattern. It uses the same base as my free Grinch pattern. So if you make that one and this one, then they'll be the same size, especially if you're selling at any holiday markets. I think it would be really good. But I did the little hair loopies in the front and the pointy elf ears, and then of course the hat. Obviously you can make any colors that you would like to. I've seen you all tag me in a lot of really cute ones on Instagram and I just love seeing them. I'm trying to think of another cute Christmassy pattern that I want to release as a free pattern, maybe next week or the week after. So if there's anything that you really want, definitely let me know in the comments. And then my latest project that I've been working on for a while, but I just posted about it, and that is this cute little penguin. This is my nose pattern and it's completely no-sew. So no sewing at all required, unless you want to sew the little cheeks in. But you can weave them in with a crochet hook if you'd like. The pattern for this one, so if you're watching this as soon as this video comes out, it will be out on Sunday, so just in a few days. And I just love how it turned out. This cute little face. But this is mainly what we're working on today. I want to make a purple one. I mean, really, I want to make one in every color, but we'll see what we can get done. But the main things that I want to crochet today for this are the accessories. So I want to make a hat, like a winter trapper hat, I think they're called. I'll insert a picture of one. I want to make one of those, a scarf of course, maybe a little fish for him to hold. And I have ideas for 2 more hats, so I'll see if I can bring those to life. I definitely want to make the purple one because I already started on that one, and the accessories, and then if we have time we'll do another ice cream cone. We'll see. So let's get cozy on the couch and start crocheting. Oh, but before we do that, I have a fun package to open that I wanted to show you. Also, it's very windy here today, so I'm sorry if you can hear the wind howling in the background. I think it just makes it a little bit more cozy. And it was actually snowing earlier today. I don't think it is right now, but it's very cold, so perfect day to stay inside. Let's open this up because I want to show you. This is something that I bought just for myself from Lulu's Sweet Kawaii shop. If you haven't checked out this shop already, she sells just the cutest kawaii products, and you know I love anything that's cute. I'm very excited. So this is an iPad or laptop sleeve. I'll honestly probably use it for both because it's such a good size. But it's a cute little boba. I love it so much. The character's name is Milky, and it's just so cute and plush. And I really needed a new laptop sleeve, especially when I go to work from like the tea shop or anything. And this is just perfect. It's so cute. Okay, we'll actually crochet now. So first I want to work on the little trapper hat for the penguin. I haven't written the pattern for it yet, so there might be some trial and error, but we'll see. And if you watch my other videos, you know I have to use my boppy to crochet, and if you don't watch my other videos, I do this for my posture. So yes, this is a nursing pillow, but look how perfect it is for your elbows. So you can just sit back, relax, and you have good posture while crocheting. So for the hat, obviously we want it to cover the top of the head, and it'll have a flap that comes up in the top here, and then like the 2 flaps on the side. So I made one of the flaps. I hope it's long enough, and I hope this actually works out like it is in my head right now. I made the 2 flaps, so I really hope I like how this turns out. We'll see. I want to make the main part of the hat first before I make the other flap. And while I was making this, I noticed our neighbor put out a giant Minions like blow up thing. You know how people put those giant blow ups in their yard when they decorate for Christmas? Well, this is like a 10-foot Minion with a Santa hat. And it's so windy today. It's like blowing around and dancing outside, and I'm honestly afraid that it's going to blow over. Or I'll just be sitting here and I'll see it like fly past. I hope not, for their sake. So we did already decorate the house for Christmas. We actually decorated before Thanksgiving, which I know can be controversial. We usually don't do that, but I don't know, it was cold here and we had some like snowy days, and I was just in the mood to decorate for Christmas. I will say it was nice that after Thanksgiving we didn't have to decorate and it was already done and we could kind of just rest and enjoy it. But I haven't really decorated the craft room for Christmas, and I don't know how much I will decorate it. But you know the part of my room that I usually have behind me in the videos with all of the yarn and plushies? And I have the hanging vines there. I think it would be really neat to do like crochet Christmas lights there. So that might be a little project that I do. And then I did mention getting a little tree for the craft room, like a pink Christmas tree, and then crocheting all the ornaments on it. So that video may or may not be coming. Keep an eye out. But I love making my space festive because then it just feels cozier and, you know, it just makes me happy. Okay, I finished the hat. Look how cute it turned out. Also, the hat is completely no-sew. I wasn't sure if I would be able to make it no-sew, but I did, and it looks exactly how I wanted it to look. So this will be an included accessory for the penguin pattern. I love it. I think he looks so cute with it on. Now I'm going to work on the scarf. I think I want to do one that matches it, so I think I'll do a blue and white striped scarf. And then depending on how long that takes, I want to finish that little ice cream cone too. Hi, it's the next day, but let me show you what I finished yesterday. I made my little purple penguin. This is made with Parfait Chunky, and this is lilac, I believe. It's just such a pretty color. Makes a cute little penguin. So I was happy that I got to finish this one. I love how it turned out, and I finished some accessories, so let me show you those. I made this cute little fish plush, and the penguin can hold it. If you'd like, I added it to the pattern, or can hold it under his arm. I just like it. It's really cute. And I made a scarf too. I love how the hat turned out. It's exactly how I envisioned it. So I just love the cute, cozy, warm penguin. Oh, and I also finished the ice cream cone. So my niece wanted this. She said she wanted strawberry, chocolate, and vanilla with sprinkles. And then she wants a cherry on top too, which I haven't done that yet, but I finished the rest of it. I just love making these. They really don't take any time at all. So this is what I finished last night, and now I want to make a different hat for the purple penguin, and then I think that's everything. Okay, I finished the next hat. It's a little bear. I really love how this turned out, but let me know, hold on, I have this little felt mouth, so let me know if you like it with or without it. That would be it with it. I think I like it without. I mean, it's really cute, but oh, I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments, but I'll leave it off for now. I'm so glad I got to finish all of these crochet projects, and thank you so much for hanging out with me while I finish these. Again, the penguin pattern will be out on Sunday. I'm going to pack up sticker orders, and then I might make one more hat for the penguin. We'll see. But give me a follow on Instagram so you don't miss that, or any of my new patterns or fun that I post over there. Let me know if you like this casual type of video, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you real soon.